In this video, we'll walk through how to upload a document to your KeepTruckin app. Open up your KeepTruckin app on your phone or tablet. At the top left, hit the hamburger menu button. Select Documents. To add a new document, select the blue plus at the bottom right hand screen. If it's your first time using this app, it may prompt you to allow access to use this app. Select yes, and it should bring up the camera. With the camera app open, try to align the document as best as you can and snap a photo. If the photo does not capture the document in its entirety, you have the option to rotate or retake the photo. We'll go ahead and retake the photo as the entire document was not captured in the image. The app will prompt you if it's too dark. You can turn on the flashlight. Once you've taken the photo, you can use the blue dots to adjust the borders to frame the document. Once you're happy with the selection, you can hit the blue continue button. Now that the document has been uploaded, we can choose what type of document this is. For this one, we'll select bill of lading. We will then enter the reference load or bill of lading number and any particular notes that may pertain to the load. Now that we're done with the information, we can hit save at the top right of the screen. Now we're at the main documents page. You can see a list of all the documents with the most recent at the top. Click on it to review, and here's your most recent upload. Now you know how to upload a document to your KeepTruckin app.